Now we're gonna make this super simple floral door wreath. So let's get started. I'm gonna take my Bowdabra bow wire and I'm just gonna fold it in half and lay it down into my Bowdabra. Then I'm gonna just tuck the ends underneath so they stay out of my way. Then I'm gonna take my piece of mesh, and the first piece of mesh, I'm going to just make it diagonal. So the two ends are diagonal to each other because I wanna make it wider. So I'm just gonna scrunch that down into my Bowdabra. Then the second mesh, I'm gonna just leave as is, and I'm just gonna scrunch it in. Really super simple. And just scrunch it into my Bowdabra and push it down. Then I have these beautiful Peony Picks that I'm just gonna lay into my Bowdabra and just put them each going in opposite directions. Then I'm gonna take this beautiful rose filled ribbon, and we have this on our Bowdabra website. We're just gonna fold it, and I'm gonna go in here, twist it, and fold. And then I'm gonna fold it back, twist, and fold. And bring it back over here, twist, and fold. And I'm just gonna continue twisting and folding. And the reason that I'm twisting is I want the wrong side of my ribbon on the inside of my loop so that I can see these beautiful roses. And just lay that down in there. Then I have 6 roses here that I've just wired together, and I'm just gonna lay this pick into my Bowdabra. Then I'm gonna take my, not my scissors, my Bowdabra wand, and I'm just gonna scrunch everything down into my Bowdabra. Then I'm gonna take the wire, bring my Bowdabra bow wire up, pull it through the slip knot, pull it really tight while it's still in the Bowdabra, bring it out, separate my ends, bring it around to the back, and I'm just going to tie a knot back here and make sure that I double knot it. And then I'm just gonna bring the rose wires around to the back and clip my wire, or you can save your wire in order to be able to tie it onto a wreath or just it onto a hanger, and just shape it, and you have this absolutely beautiful door wreath. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe below so that you'll know every time we have a new video, and also comment to let me know what types of video you'd like me to make in the future.